Using blind tests, explore the world of textures. Then, discover those used in the current exhibitions. Finally, create your own clay artwork using different modeling techniques.
I would recommend the activity Exploring Textures because it's really fun to discover different textures through the work of various artists, and then be able to engage in a hands-on activity by making a clay sculpture.
What I really liked about the activity was working with clay. I made a cookie, and with the chocolate chips, when you touch it, it creates a grainy texture.
What I liked the most was working with clay because I especially love things you can touch. Right now I'm making something rough. I often look for things that are rough because I like that texture.